Hey guys, this is Thealphaprogrammer, and welcome to your 7th HTML tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to learn about tables. But before we get started, I have an announcement to make. From now, every 10th video I make, I will unleash the source code for it. And you can download it in the description. This is for every 10th video, and when you download it, you have also the 9 previous tutorials. So by the 10th HTML tutorial, when I finish that one and I put the source code for download, you'll have the source code for HTML2, because 1 is downloading software. So you have it for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you have all of those available for download instead of you having to type them all. So this will be for every 10th video. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. And that's all there is for this announcement. So let's get to the actual tutorial now. So now tables are basically a form of putting content into rows and columns. It's kind of hard to describe. You have to see it with your eyes. So I'll just show it to you, and you see what the basic idea of tables are. And they're actually really useful for making websites because they're a bit easier to like move around and center and stuff, and also you can obviously make like rows and columns of things. So in order to create a table, you need first of all a general tag that tells HTML, okay, in between this tag and this tag there will be table code. So anything in between here you put in the tables. Got it? Okay. So in order to do that, the tag is oh wow, caps lock. I hate caps lock. Table, and then table. So after that, you now need something called the table row, which basically just obviously gives a row. So like table row 1 would be like this, and then table row 2 would automatically do a new line for you, and then you would go to the next line, and so on every table row. So let's just tr for table row and just end it off. So tr, and then finally the actual data that goes into the tables to the table rows are TDs. And no, not touchdowns. This stands for table data. Now I don't know why they didn't do TC for like table column, but table data works just fine. So yeah. Now I'm gonna put in here cheese is epic, and an exclamation mark and epic smiley face. Now so in this table data, I have cheese is epic. So this is basically just a table column. So in the next column, I will have TD. This one I'll have chocolate is my best friend. Not. I do love chocolate, but it's not my best friend. And then just do XD. And this is an epic smiley face that I love to put. You probably notice it in every description of my videos because I like that kind of smiley face. So deal with it. And that's just basically all you need to do to create a table data and a table row. So just hit save here. Bring up your web browser, hit reload, and I changed the file type location, HTML, and it says cheese is epic, XD, chocolate is my best friend, not XD. Now the reason you aren't seeing any lines in between these is actually because I didn't set it to. But if you want lines, just go into table and do for border. This is just a simple attribute, and set it to how many pixels you want it. So I'm going to set it to 1 and hit save. Bring up my thing, hit reload, and as you can see, this is how to make a table. Now that you know how to make multiple table datas, and now I'm going to show you how to make multiple table rows. So just do on the outside of your first table row, do another one, tr. I'm actually just going to copy this entire thing. You know why? Because I can. Yeah. And in this one, I'm going to have it marshmallow. Yeah, actually, no, I don't think I should do marshmallow. Maybe I should do HTML is a thing. And then in this one, I'm just going to have it be, I'm coming with random stuff like glass is hot when it is made, in case you didn't know. And I'm just going to hit save, and I'm going to run this, and you can see it put a new line, and then it made this. It made a new table row, and now we have on our first line, cheese is epic, chocolate is my best friend, not. HTML is a thing, and glass is hot when it's made. So now that we know how to make table datas, I'm going to show you how to make table headers. And they're basically the same things, but they like put a head to every column. So in order to do that, I'm going to make another tr, because you actually need another tr for this table row, because it's basically another row. It's just another table data, but a bit different. So in this one, you actually do th, and I'm going to do stuff xd, and in the other one, I'm going to do, for the other table heading, I'm just going to make it something epic like text is here. And I'm going to hit save. And as you can see, I like to do random stuff. So I just hit save there, and now I'm going to hit reload this page, and it says stuff xd and text is here. And that is how you make a basic table with basic stuff. And it's not too complicated, it's not too hard. And one thing you can actually do after you've made those is you can make the border be 0 and use it as a skeleton for your website. As you can see, they're all organized and stuff. So that's what I like about tables. You can kind of organize them, and they can be used again to skeletize your website. And what I mean by that is just, kind of make a basic structure for it. For example, like you could have one table row be like the logo, and inside in a table data have like the logo there, and then you could like center like that part. And here's another cool fact: you can have tables in the middle of tables. So I could have a table here, and I can have another table in here. But you didn't know that. But you didn't think that was possible. Well, too bad. It is. What you're gonna do now? That's right. What you're gonna do now? So I'm just gonna show you how that basically works, because you're probably going like, liar. You're a liar. That's probably what you're thinking. But no, I'm not. As you can see, it says, hey, this is table 2. I'm gonna hit save, and I'm gonna open up my index.html, hit reload, and it says, hey, this is a table 2. Another way to prove that is to come down to my table and hit border and set this equal to 1, hit save, bring it up, reload, and as you can see, this one has a border, the others don't. Isn't that just the greatest thing you can do? Yes, it is. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you totally enjoyed this tutorial. And this is the Alpha Programmer signing off. Bye bye.